Hey guys, welcome back to Clarke, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the pedal commander. I don't have it right now. It's actually coming in the mail, but I'm just going to let you guys listen to the cold start. Alright, so give me 1 second. I'm going to plug this in. Jeez, it's so cold and I'm in Arizona. Alright, so this is my friend Car, the Dodge Challenger. He's trying to get the pedal commander too, but everything is stock. Everything. It's a V6 though. All right, guys, so today is November the 25th, and the pedal commander should be arriving at my house at 3 p.m. So we're going to put it to the test. So first, what we're going to do is we're just going to see how fast the car goes without the pedal commander, the acceleration, and then I'll show you how to install the pedal commander. All right, guys, so we're going to do the test right now. This is without the pedal commander. So I can feel the delay. Let's put it in sports mode. Yeah, so even with the sports mode, it's a bit quicker, but I can still feel that little delay. So let's put the pedal commander on and let's see what the difference in the acceleration is, all right? All right, guys, so I was in the bathroom and the mailman came. So I actually got my pedal commander right now. I just took this off because my address is on there. But that's the pedal commander. We're just gonna do an unboxing here. I'm only doing this with one hand, so please bear with me here. Trying to open it up as nice as possible with one hand. Pedalcommander.com. Nice, very nice. Nice packaging. Everything looks good. Make sure it's not broken. Now we just gotta open it up. How do you open this up? Very nice. Nice packaging. So we'll take that out of the box somehow. All with one hand here. So that's the pedal commander. So let's put it in the car. The car is pretty messy, I know. So this is what we have to do, okay? So there's 2 bolts right here. And we need to connect this end right here into the car. And then we have to take this out right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So now I gotta go look in the garage and see if I have these tools right here. There's my old car. My, what's it called? Nissan Xterra. My first car. And let's go look if we have any tools here. Where is the tool? All right, I'm gonna get back to you guys because I might need to do some digging here. All right, so let's see what we have here. That's not gonna work. This might work, but I think it's too small. I'm probably gonna grab a whole bunch here. Oh man, not looking too good. I don't think I have the right size here. All right, guys, so I went back. I found the right size. So let's get to it. First, you wanna make sure it's loosened up. All right, there we go. Got it taken out. Now I just gotta move this up. There we go. And the plug is on the side. so I have to get it out somehow. Wow. All right, guys. I actually finally got it off here. As you can see. Man, that took a while. There it is. All right. So now what I need to do is I need to plug this end right here to here. I don't know if you can see that. To there. And this end will go onto that end. All right, so let me hook it up real quick here. Hopefully I can still do it with one hand. Just make sure it's the right part.
As you guys can see. All right. There we go. That just pops in like that. See? Pops in nice and easy. Oh, man. So tired. It's hard getting this out. All right, now what we need to do is plug in this end right into here. Let's see if you guys can see it better. Sorry, guys. There we go. Pops in like that.
Make sure it's popped in. Hear that click? All right, now we need to put it back together. This will be out here somewhere. This will just go back like that. It is now installed. I'm just gonna keep this over here just in case. But there we go. That is the pedal commander. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the test drive right now. So let's get to it. I'm at my friend's house right now, and he's in the car in his Challenger right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let him test drive the car. But first I'm just gonna start it, make sure the pedal commander is in sports mode, and we'll get to it. So he's here. So he doesn't know that I have the pedal commander. He thinks that I'm just filming for my YouTube. So I told him we're gonna go eat. But I just want to back up the car because I told him I got new exhaust pipes and I just want him to hear it. So I'm just going to park it here. Then I'm going to call him over just to test drive the car, just to see how loud the exhaust is. But he doesn't know that I'm going to turn on the pedal commander here. Got it in Sports Plus. Should I turn it up? Alright, I turned it up to 2. That's it. Okay. I'm putting park. Make sure it's in sports. Alright, now I'm gonna get him. Roll down the window so we can see his reaction. Alright, you ready? I just want to hear the exhaust. I just need a flyby. Let's try it. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to see the exhaust. You're good. Oh my god. Its face. What happened, Christian?
Fuck. Why'd you jump?
Dude, look, see that?
Oh shit, you got it. Holy fuck.
Alright, so right now I'm in Sports Plus. I'm not gonna increase it or anything, and make sure this is also in sports mode here. Holy jeez. Oh my god, do you guys hear that? Man, it kicks. I'm just pressing my gas just a little. Oh my god. And it's moving. Alright, I'm trying to get past this guy here. Oh my god. That's crazy. Alright, I'll let this guy go first. Watch this. Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright guys. So as you can tell, I'm just pressing the gas just a little bit and it goes. You hear that? That's not even halfway, guys. Holy. If you're gonna get the pedal commander, what I recommend is to get it. Very nice. But thank you for watching. My name is Dew. And see you guys next time. Bye-bye.